from Sallie Tomato, and it's December 7th, which means that today, for our Advent box, we get to reveal the project that all of your goodies have been leading up to. So you have the project supplies ready to go, and now you get to see what project that they're for. So day 7 says a classy project inside. It's totally cute. Enjoy this new, never before seen pattern, and use your goodies from days 3 to 6 to get started. So let's open this up. All right, so here is the project. This is a brand new pattern called No Back. I designed it. It's a minimalist tote, and it features either faux leather or cork fabric on the handles, so that's perfect because you received faux leather in your project supplies. And then also for the main fabric, you can choose to use faux leather or cork. So this bag can look extremely high-end when made out of all faux leather or all cork fabric or a combination. So here are some photos of how the project turns out using all of your supplies using the presents from the Advent box. So this mini tote features interior pockets for organization, and you can use faux leather for the straps included with the presents, or you could even use Sallie Tomato Make-A-Strap webbing. I love all the sparkly hardware accents. You can add optional hardware to the strap accents. This bag has a boxed bottom and an optional tassel. The pattern instructions are very beginner friendly, and it's a quaint little size to use for every day. I hope you like this project. It's a quick sew, so it makes a great last minute gift for the holidays. And if you like this pattern and you did not purchase an Advent box, unfortunately, you're gonna have to wait until this pattern debuts on our website. Everyone who purchased the Advent box gets it early, and it's exclusive to you. This pattern will not debut on our website until next year. So subscribe to our newsletter for updates, or watch our social media so then you know when it's ready and available. I'll see you tomorrow for another gift opening, and have a great rest of your day.